This is the OTOEZ Luxury Car Seat Cover Installation Guide. Front seat setup. Install 2 chucks per front seat cover. Make sure that the elastic rests in the middle of the chuck. Install 2 metal hooks per front seat cover as well. Run the elastic through the loop of the hook. Bring it out and then put the hook back through the elastic. This provides a more stable and secure connection. Rear seat setup. Begin by flipping over the rear seat covers. You will be applying 4 chucks to each side, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom, and 1 chuck for the bottom middle. Ensure the elastic rests on the center of the chuck. Front seat installation. Begin by pulling off your car's headrest. Once the headrest is removed, begin pulling the car seat cover over the back of your front seat. Grab your car's headrest and place the metal bars between the elastic loops on the front seat cover. And then push it in, and it should lock in place. Zip the top of the seat cover to underneath the headrest for a snug fit. Pull the headrest cover over your headrest and clip to the metal bars of your headrest. Here is a close-up of how the clips snap into place. With the top portion in place, grab the chucks that were pre-installed on the seat cover and push them into the space between the bottom and the top of your seat. You should be able to get it in and tug on it gently to see that it is secure. Here's a close-up of that process. Push it in. Make sure that it's lying flat, tug it, and it should be able to stay in place. To secure the bottom of the seat cover, grab the metal clips and hook it on to a spot underneath your seat that will allow the elastic to be taut. Pull the edges of the seat cover down and adjust accordingly. Repeat the same steps for the passenger side front seat cover. Rear seat installation. Look for the white line on the top of the back seat covers, and the line should be in coordination with the side that it is. So the line will be on the left for the passenger side, and it will be on the right for the driver's side. The center piece with the Velcro will be the piece that lies on the top of the middle of the rear seat. Begin by placing the bottom covers on first. Insert the chuck in the gap between the top and the bottom of your seat, the same way you did with the front seat covers. Gently tug them to make sure that they're in secure. Pull the elastic straps of the top seat cover over your headrest. Make sure to note that the white design line is on the left side, which would be for the passenger side. Insert the clips the same way you did the bottom seat cover. Make sure to pull the seatbelt over the top of the seat cover. Repeat the steps for the other side. In this case, it's the driver's side. Once the cover's on, once again, make sure that you pull the seat belts over the seat cover. In this demonstration, I have 2 seat belts that I need to pay attention to. Now for the center, look for the piece that has no Velcro, and that's going to go on the bottom to attach to the Velcro of the bottom seat covers. There's also a chuck that needs to be inserted in the gap. Insert it the same way you have with all the other chucks. Now the piece that has the centerpiece that has the Velcro is going to go between the top seat covers. This way you can adjust them, make them look nice and neat. And then the final headrest for the center, with this particular car, it helps to pull the seat open and then get it on there securely, and then close the seat back up and it stays nice and tight on there. And now just adjust. Now we're going to install the bottom insert clips. Find a gap underneath your seat in the back and insert it. It should be firm, and then be able to not pull out when you tug on the elastic. So we have 2 per side cover, and then 1 for the middle, for a total of 5 of these insert clips. If you're struggling to get it in, you may be putting too much pressure on the seat by leaning on it. Go ahead and just find a different spot. The main thing is to make sure that the elastic is tight. That completes the installation of your OTOEZ luxury seat covers.